Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTOP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Thursday. Remember, the markets were closed on Friday. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning and go ahead and get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I want to try to keep this as clean as possible and not have lines and annotations everywhere you look. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going forward, 0033 going to be the newest area of support, and what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Definitely if the price can hold up above there. With that being said, if the price were to drop below there, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line right there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Once again, yeah, staying above 0033 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Pretty straightforward right now as far as the resistance and where the seller stepped in at. Right up there around 005, give or take. I get it, the price did get through there a couple of times, but my point here is that the general price congestion area very clearly up there at 005, so that'll be public enemy number one going into Tuesday. All in all, though, great movement today. We'll see if the bulls continue to build upon this trend or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.